Hey, what's up guys? Troy here, and in this video I am going to do a Save Club review and update, but I'm going to share with you one of my favorite and I believe the best ways to promote the Save Club opportunity without speaking to a single person and 100% completely rejection free. So be sure to watch this video through to the end. If it makes a lot of sense to you, go ahead, like this video, comment on it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. So, Save Club, at the time of me shooting this video, is only 6 days into the official launch. And we currently, I believe, are right now at about or even over 8,000 active members worldwide in 150 different countries. And when I saw this, when we were in pre-launch, I actually joined probably 15 minutes as an active member. It's a $20 a month membership. When I saw the value of this, and it was, I believe, the third day since the pre-launch had started. So currently I have 6,893 members in the power line that joined after me. Now, I'm going to talk about the power line in a minute, but what I want you to see is look at all of these people that have upgraded in my power line, meaning they took the free tour, they joined the power line, and they paid their $20 monthly membership to get started. Some of them paid for the yearly membership. You know, choice is yours. But just look at this. These are all individuals that are active members that upgraded. And this is just one page. Now, the funny thing about this is that I do not know these individuals. The people that I personally sponsored were people that I actually knew for the most part, but check this out. Again, this is just one page. This person is not an affiliate, but they are a retail customer, which counts towards commissions. And are you going to get paid on everyone in your power line? No, you're not. You know, in fact, most of these people will not become active members in your organization, but some of them will. So here's what I want to talk about. What makes Save Club so unique is, and this is coming from somebody that does this online marketing full time. You know, I do not have a job. I work 100% remotely from home. But what attracted me to this is there really is no learning curve. You do not have to explain to people what discounts are. You don't have to explain to people how it's possible for them to save money. And the truth is, everyone loves a discount, and you're saving money on things that you're already spending money on a regular basis. So we're talking about travel, we're talking about grocery shopping, retail shopping. I found a pair of Skechers shoes. I love wearing Skechers, especially during warmer seasons. And I saved just shy of $23 on those Skechers. Guess what? That's more money than the monthly membership. And as a gift, I also found a laptop, a gift for someone, where I saved a little bit more than about $420. Folks, that was just in the first month. So imagine that. Now, you've got automotive, you've got business and office, you got car rentals, condos and resorts, cruises and tours, dining and food. I'm a big dude. I love to eat. And these are local restaurants that you already frequent that you could save money on: entertainment, recreation, golf, health and wellness, home and garden, hotels, movie tickets. And I just want to share with you what you could see in here just by simply punching in your zip code. Now, what if let's say you're traveling, and you're not at your residential zip code? No big deal. You just punch in the zip code wherever it is that you are, and you could take advantage. And this is global. So, Avis Car Rental, average savings 30%. 800 Got Junk, average savings $10. Crunch Fitness $15. Right? Let's just scroll down a little bit. GNC $20 average savings. Hard Rock Cafe 15% average savings. Applebee's 10%. Men's Warehouse 10%. And look, it's just, in my honest opinion, it's the easiest and most simple opportunity for you to be able to share with others. And you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to ask a whole bunch of questions. In fact, I have been teaching the people that are on my team that I personally sponsored, look, ask one simple question, right? And this works in your warm market. I know a lot of you feel that you've exhausted your warm market with other opportunities that you may have promoted, and you don't want to look like a salesperson. But guess what? Every one of those opportunities was more than likely a business offer that required people to spend money when they didn't have to. So you were asking them to change their buying and spending habits. With SAVECLUB, it's just saving. I mean, what's the question that I teach my guys to ask? Simple. Take a quick minute, reconnect with the individual. Maybe this is your coworker, someone in your neighborhood, best friends, favorite cousins, mom and dad. Who, the possibilities are limitless, and you could just ask them, hey, this might be a silly question, but do you like discounts and saving money? And then you shut up. You don't say another word. Some people laugh, and the 98% of the time the answer that I get is of course. So then, you could ask them, hey, a friend of mine shared something with me. It was a way for me to save money on things I was already spending money on. Would you like more information? How hard is that? Right? But let's say you're one of those people that you can't stand talking to anyone, and you just want something that is 100% rejection free, where you don't have to talk to or convince a single person. Watch this. Now, the Office Annex is what I recommend. I love, love, love these drop cards. What you're looking at right now on the screen, this is a $100 bill drop card. And on the outside, it looks like a real $100 bill. So if you place them in places that are heavily populated, I guarantee you people are going to pick them up because they look like the real thing. And on the inside of the $100 bill drop cards, you're going to see this message: welcome to SAVECLUB, the ultimate savings and earnings experience. Gain access to a revolutionary membership that turns everyday spending into a money-making machine. Visit my website below, take the free tour, and secure your free position now. So your website is going to go here, and then at the bottom it says empower your money to go farther. Now, when you order this, and I'm going to share with you how you can take the free tour, secure your spot in SAVECLUB, and how you can get access to these $100 bill drop cards. And this also works with the Office Annex. Maybe you just want business cards. right? You can get them ordered. Maybe you are into postcard advertising and mailing postcards. You can get them that way. There's a lot that you could do, but drop cards are my favorite because everybody picks them up. And when you go into the system, you create your free account. When you come over here, set quantity, you're going to have different quantities that you could choose. I always recommend going with at least 1,000, and you have the ability to request them to already be folded. If you want to sit there and fold 1,000 or 2,000 drop cards by yourself, God bless you. But if you choose to have them not folded, then you instantly save $10. So instead of paying $68.95, you'll pay $58.95. But how powerful is that? And when you drop these drop cards around, I don't suggest that you litter, but always keep, 50 of them on you, 100 of them on you at all times. Put 100 in your car. Keep 50 or 100 in your pocket, right? Whatever you do, and then you could place them in check cashing places. You could place them in banks. If you go out to eat at a restaurant, you could place them on a few tables. Maybe once your server has given you your bill, you've tipped him or her, add one of these $100 bill drop cards when you are giving them your credit card. I mean, why not? And you'd be surprised. This is 100% rejection free. You go to the gas station, you pump your car with gas. After you finish, put one of these $100 bill drop cards in the gas nozzle. Bookstores are popular. Malls. I love malls. If you got a mall that has 30, 40 different stores in them, go inside. Heck, put one in a pair of sneakers. Put one in a coat pocket that someone's getting ready eventually to try on or purchase. The possibilities really, really are limitless. And think about it. This is a very, very low cost investment. I mean, $68.95 or $58.95 respectively for 1,000 of these. You don't think if you drop 1,000 of these, maybe you live near a casino, holy smoke. All people are doing is spending money. I mean, just imagine. And I personally know someone, and this was for another business that has made 6 figures every single year. I've known this person for a decade. 6 figures every year putting out drop cards for her business. So I am telling you, this does work. Why not do a combination of both? Talk to 8, 10, 15 people that your warm market. Share with them what I just shared with you and start dropping these cards around, right? I mean, again, you don't want to litter, but if you're putting out 1,000 of these a month, you mean to tell me that you're not going to get a whole bunch of people that will pre-enroll in your power line, and many of them upgrading. Many of them. Who wouldn't upgrade? If you can invest $20 a month on a membership and save, like in my case, over $400, guess what? The retention is very high. They are not going anywhere. And when they go to your website, this is what they're going to see, the free tour, right? They're going to see this little short, watch this video, start saving and earning today with SAVECLUB. They're going to come over here, put in their first name, their last name. They're going to enter their email, their phone number, right? Letting people know that, yes, I'm really interested in this. And how do you get access to this? So if you're watching this video on YouTube, go to my YouTube channel right now. Click on the YouTube channel links that are in there. You're going to find one link for SAVECLUB so that you could take your free tour. It's going to be my marketing funnel. So enter the email that it's requesting, and then it's going to bring you to this page. And you also can get from my YouTube channel access to the Office Annex. You'll see it once you click on it, where you could place your order. And with that being said, if you got some value from this video, be sure to like, drop me a comment, please. Lets me know you're getting some value. And if you didn't do so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Once again, I'm Troy. Thanks so much for watching this video. Take care.